In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in ManyChat. First, go ahead and log into your ManyChat account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there, and what you want to click on is automation. This is where all of your existing automations live. So if you've already created any, you'll see them listed here. To start working with a new template, move your eyes to the top right corner and click on the button that says New Automation. When you click that, a pop-up window will appear. This is where ManyChat shows you all the automation templates that are available for the channels you're currently using, such as Instagram, Facebook, or others you've connected. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see tabs for different channels. If you only want to see templates for a particular channel, just click on that tab to filter them. On the left-hand side of the pop-up, there are additional filters. You can narrow the templates down by goal, like lead generation or support, or by trigger, which is how the automation starts. Take a moment to browse through the options. Once you've found a template that fits what you want to achieve, click on it. The pop-up will reload and show you a larger preview, so you can see how the automation is structured and how it works from start to finish. If you're happy with it, click Set Up Template at the bottom left of the pop-up. This will open the automation in the editor. Now you're looking at the full automation flow. You'll notice orange message bubbles throughout the flow, and these are explanations from ManyChat that describe what each step does. The very first step is the trigger, which is what starts the automation. If you want to change this, click on the trigger and then choose New Trigger. A pop-up will appear with all the trigger types available, and you can pick the one that makes the most sense for your use case. For any step in the automation, you can click on it, and the editing options will show up in the left sidebar. If you want to adjust the content, you can edit the messages directly. To remove a block, hover over it and click the X icon that appears. To rearrange a block, hover until you see the vertical two-headed arrow, then click, drag, and drop the block up or down to place it where you want in the sequence. If you'd like to add more blocks to expand your flow, look at the bottom of the left sidebar. You'll see a list of different block types you can add from there. Just drag or click to insert them into your automation and configure them as needed. When you are finished customizing your template and everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Set Live. This activates your automation so it can start running based on the trigger you selected.